So in this video we are going to talk about the teleconnection, okay? And what the teleconnection means. The teleconnection simply means that very long distance relationship. I mean, here is Indian Ocean and here is Pacific Ocean, so it's thousands of kilometer. So the relationship between them is known as teleconnection. So what happens here? These are the factors also which affects the Indian monsoon. And what are they? That are El Ninos and his sister is La Nino. It's also known as Christ breast, I think so. And other is La Nina, okay. Other is Indian Ocean Dipole, okay. And this is also known as Southern Oscillation. And one more thing that is called Walker cell, Walker circulation, okay. So what's basically happens in this, that this is a vertical motion. It's sorry, this is a horizontal motion. This is not about how the we have earlier studied that the monsoon that is from sea to land surface, okay. So this is basically a horizontal motion. Horizontal motion means this motion, okay. So what happens in the El Nino? In El Nino, at the Peru coast, this is Peru coast. This is actually remains cold generally. So in El Nino year, this becomes warm because the warm water from here. This is, I think, Tahiti. So warm water. So this becomes warm. Warm means the air will rise. So when the air will rise, it will go from high pressure to low pressure, as we have already discussed the Biballet's law, that if there is a high pressure at upper troposphere, then low pressure will exist here. So this is the high pressure and there will be the low pressure, so it will be moved over this and it descends to Tahiti. And this connection is further enhanced at this Mascarene high, okay. So here is Mascarene high, okay. So this low pressure and here becomes high pressure at the ground level, lower troposphere. So this gets transferred to this area. So this become low pressure. And as we have already studied what the KOTESHWARAM has said, that rising air from here descends at the equator and they forward moves to cause the uh, rainfall in the monsoon season. But what happens here is totally different. The rainfall is less because here is low pressure, upper will be the high pressure, so it will be the upper connection. The winds will rise at the Mascarene high and this will descend at Tibet, okay. So rainfall will not be there. Rainfall will be there but at very least amount because the Mascarene high is not intensifying the southwesterly monsoon. This is southwesterly monsoon as we have already studied. So this is not intensifying, okay. So El Nino is a negative concept. El Nino is a negative concept, means rainfall will be less for India, and in La Nina the reverse happens. Here is you will find that rainfall will be less because the temperature will be low, and the reverse will happen. And what does this happens in IOD, Indian Ocean Dipole? Okay, is basically just a horizontal movement of wind from Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean. So what happens that if just basically I'm saying the theory, if there is a high pressure, I'm talking about ground surface, if there is a high pressure in summer season, then the monsoon will be good. If not, then monsoon will be bad. So this is a simple teleconnection between the Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So I think that you don't have any problem in these two topics, and that this is a few reasons which affects the monsoon of the India. And please do like and subscribe our channel. We are gonna to upload the new videos which of course you will recommend, and which are necessary for the examination preparation for the government services. Thanks for being with us.